Today we're taking a look at the Armadillo Tech CaseBorne case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. CaseBorne Case, I think I said that right. For disclosure, this video is not sponsored. No money exchanged hands, but they did give me this case to review. The company doesn't get any input in the video, nor do they get to preview it before it's posted, so I can give my honest thoughts. Anyways, let's open this up and take a look at the case. So here's the packaging for the case. It's definitely bright. Let's open it up. A little note here that explains that they're eco-conscious and use sustainable materials. That's pretty nice. Alright, here's the case. Doesn't look like there's anything else in the box. It's a multi-layer design, so here's the frame you have to put on the iPhone first before putting it in the case. Alright, let's take the case out of the holster. Here's a thank you note and reminder that it's an American product. A couple of cleaning kits here for the screen protectors. And it looks like it comes with 2 screen protectors. I already have one installed on my iPhone, so I won't be using these, but it's nice that they include them with the case. Yep, it's definitely clear. Finally, here's the case. I actually tested this on my phone earlier and I scuffed it on the inside a little bit. That's my fault. These are tough cases that are built to endure. It has an anti-slip texture here along the sides, which feels pretty good. This case has a built-in kickstand that's made out of aluminum alloy. We'll test that out in a bit. Alright, here's my 15 Pro Max in natural titanium. Let's put this frame on so we can get it in the case. This part's a little boring, but the outer frame fits really snug around the phone and the inner frame. And there you go. It feels real nice in the hands. There's a dust cover here that goes over the USB-C port. Now let's try out this kickstand. Now it works pretty well, and you can pretty much set it at any angle. Not sure if it'll loosen over time, but for now, it's definitely fixed wherever you set it. Looks like it still works if you flip it over the other way, in case you're one of those people that use your phone the wrong way. And if for some reason you want to keep it vertical, you can do that too, but you can't adjust the angle this way. They say this is a military grade phone case and it definitely feels durable. No rattling sound, which is good. The buttons have a nice tactile feel, so they're easy to find. They have a good clicking feeling to them too. Alright, let's put it in the holster. It doesn't look like you can put it in this way because of that camera bump. The phone has to go in with the screen facing in. I don't use phone holsters, but I can see how this can be useful, like when you're out hiking or something, so you can have easy access to it. Looks like it fits in both directions. Now let's test out the strength of the MagSafe. Here's my portable power bank that I always travel with. Feels like a solid connection. Let's test it out. Oh yeah, that's not moving. Alright, let's try to shake the phone off instead. Yeah, those magnets are definitely strong. This case is durable, but they still offer a limited lifetime warranty with it. The only fail point I can see would be that kickstand loosening though. The frame around the camera sticks out past the lenses, so it definitely protects them when laying it flat. The lip along the front sticks out far enough too to protect on flat surfaces, even with my screen protector on. So I'm going to be using this case as my daily for a few weeks so that I can come back and give my honest feedback on it. After using this case for a few weeks, I'm surprised by how much I actually like it. I don't normally like bulky phone cases, like compared to my old one that I was using just before this. It's bigger, but like not much bigger. I'm not sure how well that's showing up on camera, but trust me, it's not much bigger than my old case. I definitely notice the size of this case when it's in my hands. I have pretty small hands, but it's not that bad. For the case, what it is, it's pretty minimal. And my favorite feature of this whole case is the built-in kickstand. I use this thing all the time. I never thought I'd actually need something like this, but apparently I do. Now with my phone in this case, I'm never worried about dropping it. I know the case is going to protect the phone. Like, I went snowboarding last weekend and I kept it in my jacket pocket and it survived all my falls, and I fall a lot. Let me know if you have any questions, and if you're interested in this case, you can check it out over here on the website and use my discount code ROAM10 to save on your purchase. I'll have everything linked in the description below so it's easier to find. Alright, for now, I'm gonna get some ice packs to put on these sores.